So guys, welcome to our channel once again. In today's video on our JAMB Government Exam Revision Series, we have here these 3 questions to answer on the topic international organizations. So guys, this video will be about the AU. So in short, stay to the end of this video. Let's go ahead and start with the first question here. It says, the AU differs from the OAU in having A, no permanent headquarters, B, a minimum of divergent viewpoints, C, effective tools for decision enforcement, D, no assembly of heads of state. So guys, the answer to this question is option C here. The AU differs from the OAU in having effective tools for decision enforcement, and that is for this question. So let's head on to the next question, guys. Over here we have the next question, question number 2. It says, the AU's right to intervene in a member country in crisis portrays it as a continental organization, B, a regional organization, C, an international organization, D, a supranational organization. So guys, the answer to this question is option D here, a supranational organization. So let's head on to the next and last question for this video, guys. So here's question number 3 of 3. It says, the organ of the AU that prepares for the meeting of the Assembly of Heads of States and Governments is the A, Commission of Mediation, Conciliation, and Arbitration. We have B, General Secretariat, C, Council of Ministers, D, African Parliament. So guys, the answer to this question is option C here, that's Council of Ministers, and that is for this question. So this is where we'll end this video for today, guys. If you enjoyed this lesson, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you're not yet a subscriber. Also, if you have any specific question regarding this video, you can drop your question in the comment section below and we'll be sure to give you a response. So finally, guys, we want to encourage you to join our YouTube channel community where we'll post major updates on JAMB examinations. You can join this channel community by hitting the join button below, and we'll see you right there. Thank you once again for watching this video, and see you on the next one.